Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you on how to set South DGPS. You can see it on the instrument South. So this is South DGPS, and then I'll be sharing with you on how to do the setting up, how to use to carry out a survey exercise. You want to do using RTK mode, single frequency. So this is what I'll be sharing with you today. Just stay tuned as I show you on how to carry out that. Before doing that, the first thing you have to note is that once you have the knowledge of using any DGPS, you can use any instrument. Of course, you can definitely do that, because I already have a video on how to set TERSUS DGPS. But today, due to my subscribers, your reviews and feedback make us work on other videos. I get the reviews from my subscribers to do videos on how to use South. Alright, that is why we are doing this. So just watch me as I put you through on that. Okay, so getting it done. This is my base instrument. It's already set. I've mounted my tripod on this point. So this is the point we are referencing to. So you have to have the coordinate of this point. Then after that, you set your instrument. You pull the battery inside your rover. This is my rover. My rover is with me here. Why? This is my base. I've pulled the battery. It's using just a single battery. So you pull the battery there. Alright, the next thing for me to do now is to pull on my data logger. This is the power here on the screen. So I'll just press this power icon here. I'll press it, I'll hold it a bit, then I'll drop it. You can see it on the screen, South. Then the next thing for me to do now is to do what? I'll come to my base instrument. Like you've already seen, I'll bring in the antenna. You have to input your antenna and every other things, because I'm using internal mode. This is why you are seeing this. Had it been I'm using external mode, you would have seen from the instrument. This is it here. This is using external mode. This is the frequency radio. So all I'll do is to mount it on the instrument, and then using car battery, I'll bring my car battery and set everything. But today I'll be using internal mode, so that is why you're having it. I'm not using other external radio and every other things. Thank you. Alright, I'll pull on the instrument. I'll press the power button for my base. So it's currently turned on. Then I'll also turn on my South rover. You can see it's now turned on. Alright, so getting started, the first thing you have to notice that there are several ways of connecting the instrument, but I'll connect it using Bluetooth, and that's fine. I'll connect the instrument using Bluetooth. So I'll come to device connect. I'll click on device connect. Then as soon as I click on device connect, under the instrument, my base, I'm going to connect the base first before the rover. So from this place here below, under the instrument, you see a serial numbers. Under the instrument here, you see a serial number. The serial number here, it ends with 921. For my base, it ends with 921. Alright, so on my screen here, I'll press 921. That is, I want to connect my base first. So I'll click on connect.
Bluetooth is connected.
Alright, the base has been connected. That's fine. Then after connecting your base, you click on this place that says, you come to this place that says coordinate system. The coordinate system that I'll be using is a UTM zone 31. I'll be using, because my location is on Nigeria, so I'll be using Mina UTM zone 31 because I'm on zone 31. Then I'll click on zone 31, then I'll click save. I'll click OK, and I'll click OK. Alright, then I'll come to my base. Under my base now, what I'll simply do is this is the format I'm using, RTCM32, and then the
base is failed to transmit.
And then you click on base start mode. Under this base start mode, this is it. You can see the geographical coordinates, and we have projected coordinate as well. That is XYZ. All right, so I'll be using projected coordinates. For my projected coordinates, all right, for my projected coordinates, I have picked the coordinate of this point. I already have the coordinate of this point here, so that is what you'll be putting on the screen, because that is the coordinate of the base. All right, for the mappings, we have 866.226. Okay. For the history, we have what?
604.
825. 427. And then for the elevation, we have 320.24. Okay, thank you. And then I'll click on this mark button, and I'll click OK. So the next thing for you to do is to set the antenna height. What you have to do is that you take your measuring tape from the reference point, that blue cover bottle, you bring your tape there, and then you draw your tape up to the instrument. That is, you are taking the height of the base, and then as soon as you take it, you put it under the antenna height, and you click on plan. Then I'll click on what? I'll click on start record. Alright, so what I'll simply do is I'll come back to the device connect. I'll disconnect my base now, since I'll set the parameters. Oh, you mean it fixed? Alright, since I've set the parameters, I'll connect my rover now, and then I'll check the serial number on the screen here. The serial number says what? It ends with 918. That is what it ends with. So I'll click on 918, and then I'll click on connect.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Alright, so the rover has been connected now. Then I'll come back to the base, and then I'll click OK.
Base internal bases failed to transmit.
Then I'll click on start record. Then I'll come back to my rover now. I'll click on OK.
Rover internal radio mode.
And that is fine. So it is now fixed. Then as soon as it's fixed, I can come back to this under my survey now. I'll click on survey. I'll come to project now. I can come to project now. Then I'll click on project. Actually, you can set your project before doing the setting up. That is, before connecting the device base and rover. But because there is an initial project on it, that is, I'm already working on the initial project. So let me quickly show you on how to create a new project. Maybe you want to start a new project. All you simply do is what? You come to this project here, you click on project, you click on project here, then you click on new project. Alright, let me name this project as our survey got easier tutorial.
Battery is low.
You click on survey got easier, and then you click on what? OK. So the project has been created. You select the coordinate system. So my coordinate system now, and the coordinate system now is our UTM. Then I'll click OK, and then I'll click OK. Alright, it's now fixed. So we have a lot of functions on this. We have a lot of functions. So you have to note that when you look at this place here, you can see it's fixed. If your instrument is not fixed, you can't carry out any exercise. Then you come to this. You come to survey. Now you can see we have a lot of information on that survey. We have stakeout, we have stop points, we have auto store, we have control points, we have area survey, we have stakeout points, we have stakeout line, and several things. On my subsequent video, I'll be sharing with you on how to use these tools to carry out exercise, and that is how to set South DGPS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and to comment, share, and like. And lastly, don't forget to turn on your notification bells to be notified on our subsequent video upload. Love you all.